Let's see if it'll do a burnout.
Early the next morning.
Please start. Come on. So I'm just adjusting the fuel a little bit. Take it down and see what it does. I didn't want to do this. Last time it ended badly, but let's see. Alright, so I can't get it to fire up, so I called the guy and he's on his way to come and help me before I burn out another starter. Okay, so it seemed like one of the plugs was dead, so I changed that out. Let's see what it does now. There we go. Alright, so it's the next day, and I just want to give a huge thanks to Lance. He helped me out a lot. I got the power mods ECU from him, I got the fuel pump from him. He also did the DPF mapping on my mom's car and the fuel mapping to get more power out of that car, the W204. He helped me out a lot. If you guys are in the area, I will leave his website down below so you can check that out. Really cool guy. If you want to do anything to your car performance wise, he's the guy to talk to. He knows his stuff. I'm just in a mall parking lot at the moment. Car's idling. The fan just kicked on at 87 degrees. I just have the laptop over here to watch the temperatures because I welded on the car and I think I burned out this temperature gauge. So I'm just using the one on the laptop. And there it's off again. Works perfectly. So yeah, let's go for a drive. Down to 120 kilometers an hour again. Car didn't even get hot at all during that pull, so I went second, third and fourth, and then was at about 180 kilometers an hour. Scary, but yeah, hopefully the sound clip at the back sounds pretty cool. It does pull kind of good. It's not the fastest car, but I really like the sound and the feel of it. Usually after I drive the car that hard, the engine starts ticking, so here's a sound clip of that. But like now, 2 minutes later, it's quiet again. So does anybody know what that is? Comment down below, please. Help me out. I have no idea what that is. Some people say the oil is too thin. Others say it might be the lifters. I'm not sure. But other than that, it does pretty good. Wow, wow, wow. It's ticking again. So I'm just over here on the back roads, like old mining roads. Nobody uses them anymore. So let's see if it can still do a burnout or do a better one. It won't do second gear, the clutch is too weak, but let's see. gonna spin through first gear, but let's try. Gonna try to hold the camera steady. Here we go. I've waited so long to do that again. I did it before with the M271 engine, and I'll tell you, this engine just is so much more powerful. Another thing is it doesn't seem to use much fuel, so that's pretty cool. I had a half tank before we started tuning on it, and it's about at a quarter tank now, and we've driven it hard. So I'm really happy about that.